Remove the top panel holding screws and remove the top panel. Remove the front panel holding screws and tape the door. Straighten out two wire coat hangers and use them to hold the front panel in place. I removed the drum to be able to show you how to replace the drum front bearing. But you don't have to remove your drum, okay? You're going to do the repair with the drum on. Use a flat screwdriver to pry the front bearing out. See, this one is bad. Set the new front seal in. Align the light bulb and snap it in place. This is how you remove the Teflon glides. This is how you install the Teflon glides. If this little tab is broken, you will have to glue the glide. Use good glue. Heat resistant glue if it's possible. Make sure you don't get any glue on top of the glide. All you have to do now is install the front panel, the top panel, and try the dryer to see how it sounds. For the best place to buy replacement parts online, visit Repair Clinic. When you buy parts from Repair Clinic, you have 365 days from the day of purchase to return the part for a refund or for a replacement. You can find links to Repair Clinic in my website.